Hello! Hi everyone, Wesley here. So as some of you may know, a couple of weeks ago we soft launched the very first brick and mortar WooCan Cook space after doing pop-up tents for 4 days a week for something like the last 5 years. Because of that, to be absolutely honest, I haven't had a lot of time to make and edit new recipe content like I normally do every week. But I did want to make sure and have some new stuff up on this channel as often as I can though. So a few weeks ago I strapped a GoPro to my chest while making dinner after working my 4th consecutive 12-hour day getting this kitchen space open. And this is what that looks like. There's pretty minimal editing going on here, mostly just to make sure that you don't get motion sickness while watching it. And for the most part, I would say that this is the most accurate reflection of what it actually looks like when I make these recipes for myself. Is it weird for me to leave the audio on for these videos? Yeah, I mean, definitely, yeah. Here we go though. This is Grandma's Mapo Tofu, one of my favorite lazy recipes to make for dinner because of the insane ratio of effort versus reward. Here we go.